Morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good day to you all, anywhere you may be joining us from all over the world. So, this is TOSJOHN Consulting, your strategic business growth support partner. As you all know that we are always visible here on our YouTube channel, helping business owners, entrepreneurs, professionals, right, to navigate all the business, you know, challenges successfully, right, in this year 2026. So, Bodman, thank you for joining us. So, in today's, live streaming session is very important, and you know that most of all our strategy videos for all entrepreneurs and business owners. So, please, if you are joining us now, thank you for them for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, and of course, if this is your first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are looking at smart budgeting strategies for Nigerian entrepreneurs. Smart budgeting strategies for Nigerian entrepreneurs. So we'll be telling you something very important in this live session. So let's say something that might shock you, right? Most Nigerian businesses don't have a revenue problem. Most Nigerian businesses, they don't have revenue problem, right? They have a budgeting problem. Budgeting is very important, even for personal, spending, earnings, and everything. You need to have a budget, not to now talk of enterprise or business owners. So most Nigerian entrepreneurs or any other business owners anywhere in the world, they don't have a revenue problem. They have a budgeting problem. Money is entering the business, right? But somehow at the end of the month, there's nothing left. And that is shocking. Money is entering each day of the month to the end of the month. But at the end of the month, there's nothing left. You'll be surprised. If you don't control your money will definitely control you. If you don't control your money will definitely control you. That is why as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, you need to be in charge. So today we'll be going through smart budgeting strategies that will help you to, number one, stop financial leakage. This smart budgeting will help you to stop budgeting, will help you to stop financial leakage. It will help you to increase productivity. It will help you to improve, profitability. Yes, and it help you to even improve your cash flow as well. It help you to improve your cash flow. It help you to increase your profitability, and it help you to build a scalable, stable, and sustainable business. This is what smart budgeting will help you to achieve, and you need it. So you are welcome to TOSJOHN Consulting, where we help business owners, entrepreneurs to build and structure a profitable, compliant, and sustainable business. So if you are serious about taking control of your business finances this year, please type in the comment section smart budget in the comment section. So type smart budget in the comment section if you are serious about taking charge and being in control of your business finances in this year 2026 and beyond. So we'll be breaking this live session into parts. So in part number one, why most entrepreneurs struggle with budgeting. Why most entrepreneurs struggle with budgeting? Why do they struggle with budgeting? If budgeting is very important and you need to do it and you need to put it in place, why are you struggling with it? The reason is that no clear monthly expenses plan. No clear monthly expenses plan. That is number one reason why they struggle. Then no clear monthly plan, no fixing personal money. There's mixing of personal and business money together. That is the reason why most entrepreneurs struggle with budgeting. They are mixing personal and business money together. And we've told you on this YouTube channel, there's none of our video that you will watch that we have not said it over and over again. That if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a business owner, please Separate your personal and business money. Separate them. Have a personal account, have your business account. Let everything that revolve around your business, let it go into your business account. Pay yourself a monthly salary based on what your business can afford. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, thank you for joining us, and please give us a thumbs up and share this video as well. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Then there is spending based on emotions. They spend based on emotion. That is why they struggle. No clear plan of budgeting. Then no reinvestment structure. No reinvestment structure. See, the way money is, multiply is by investment. If you don't invest money, if you don't have a reinvestment structure, right, money will just disappear. The money will be in control of you and you will not be seeing it. So you need to have a clear budgeting plan. So another thing, no tax allocation. As a business owner, you know that the portion of your profit, of your business profit, will be taxed, except if you are within the threshold. And we have a lot of our videos. We have over 200 of our videos on this YouTube channel for business owner that will help them to bridge their knowledge gap. We have dissect all the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025. We have them. CAC, we have them. Accounting, we have them. Business strategy, we have a lot of our video. So if you are a business owner, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a professional, please check out all our videos on this YouTube channel, watch them, and apply all the knowledge you have dished out into your business and your entrepreneur ventures. So budgeting is not restriction. Budgeting is not restriction. Budgeting is financial control. It shows that you are in control of your finances. If you don't tell your money where to go, you will wonder where it went. If you don't tell your money where to go, you will wonder where it went. That is why at the end of the month, you are not seeing any money, available, cash flow to run your business. So in part 2, the smart budgeting framework. The smart budgeting framework. This is non-negotiable. So 1, you need to separate business and personal finances. You can see we are saying this again because it is very important. When you are repeating something, it means it is showing emphasis. Repetition is for emphasis, and emphasis means importance. That means that thing is important. So the smart budgeting framework in part 2 means that number 1, you need to separate your business and personal finances. You need to separate it. And this is non-negotiable. You cannot negotiate with it. Open a dedicated business account. Pay yourself a structured salary. Stop withdrawing money from your business account randomly. Structure creates clarity. When you have a structure, it gives you clarity. Then number 2, under the smart budget framework, use the 50-30-20 business allocation strategy. Use the 50-30-20 business allocation strategy. And what does this mean? So this is a practical guide for SMEs, for entrepreneurs and business owners. 50% means operating expenses. And what are these operating expenses? You have your rent, you have your utilities, you have your staff salaries, you have your logistics, and those are the operating expenses, but are not limited to this. Then the 30% is reinvestment and growth. Reinvestment and growth. And under this reinvestment and growth, what are those things that we have there? Marketing, equipment, technology, staff training. Those are the things under the investment and growth strategy, and it is not limited to this. Then the 20%, we have profit and tax reserve. That's the 20%, your profit and your tax reserve. And what are these things? Tax savings. You have the emergency fund under this, and then your retained earnings. So this ensures your business grows instead of you surviving. instead of just surviving. It helps your business to grow. Then number 3 is always budget for taxes. Budget for taxes. You must budget for it. So many entrepreneurs panic time occurs. When tax time comes, they panic, they are afraid. So you need to plan ahead. The reason why they are afraid is because they don't plan ahead. So for you not to be afraid of taxes, you need to plan ahead. And you are planning for what? Your value added tax. You need to remit this to the Nigerian Revenue Service, formerly called Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS. You need to, plan for your payee. Payee is remitted on the 10th of the following month. For example, we are in the month of March. So the payee, pay as you earn, that it deducts from your staff salary, you must remit it in the month of April on or before 10th of April. So you need to plan ahead for it. So you remit your payee to the Internal Revenue Service, to the state where your staff is resident. For example, we have Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, which we call LIRS, if you operate or your staff is resident in Lagos. So even if your company is located in Lagos, it does not mean that you will remit your staff pay to Lagos. So you need to separate the staff that are living in Lagos from the staff that are living in Ogun State, from other states, Oyo State, River State, and remit it to the states where your staff are residents. Please take note of that. Then we have annual returns filing with the Corporate Affairs Commission. The 2025 annual returns filing is due now in this year, 2026. We are here. We are your accredited CAC agent. We are your strategic business growth support partner. Reach out to us and let us help you to file all your CAC annual returns filing up to date and stay compliant. So taxes should never surprise you. They should already be sitting in a reserve account. Have it in reserve and provision. Provide for it so that when the time comes to remit, you remit on time and you stay compliant. Then number 4, we have track weekly, not just monthly. Make sure you track all your transactions, revenue, expenses, everything. Track them weekly, not just monthly. So don't wait until month end to discover problems, right? Every week, even on review your revenue, review your expenses, compare with your budget and adjust early so that you will not have a shock. So early correction prevents financial disasters. Early correction, early detection, it helps you to prevent financial disasters, and this is very important for you. So in number 5, create a cash flow forecast. We have a video on cash flow on this YouTube channel. Check it out. So create a cash flow forecast and ask yourself, how much is expected to come next month? What major expenses are coming in? Will there be a shortfall? Cash flow forecasting protects you from sudden borrowing at high interest rates, because the MPR now, that's the monetary policy rate, is very high. It's still very high, 25 to 30%. Imagine you are paying 25 to 30% interest on a monthly basis on the money you are borrowing. It is a lot, right? And before you borrow, we have brought you a video on equity versus debt. Which one should you take, right? And we've put it in place for growing business, for startups, for business that are already, growing. Which one should you choose? So we have the videos. You can check it out on our YouTube channel, right? And we are available for all our professional consulting services. Please make sure you reach out to us. So in part 3, common budgeting mistakes in Nigeria that most entrepreneurs make. And you need to avoid this. Spending before calculating profits. You are spending before you calculate your profit. It is a big mistake and it can bring disaster. Then underpricing your products. We have brought you video on that. Check it out. How to price your product for profit and not loss. So you can check it out. Then ignoring inflation impacts. No emergency reserve, and then no documentation. Please, for business owners, please take notes. If you don't have documentation, if you don't have record keeping, it will be difficult for you to claim tax exemption, tax reliefs. So you need documentation, record keeping. So we are available for outsourced accounting services. We are available to serve you, right? You can serve you as a tax consultant, as your external auditor. We are accredited CAC agents. So feel free to reach out to us to partner with you. So a structured entrepreneur survives economic instability. A structured business owner, a structured entrepreneur survives economic instability. You will survive it. So please, we are asking you now, do you currently have a written monthly budget? Do you have it? Do you know your exact monthly operating costs? Do you know it? Do you save a percentage for taxes? Are you paying yourself a structured salary, or you are withdrawing randomly? So please answer all these practical questions in the comment section. So in part 4, simple action plan for viewers, for you entrepreneurs, for you business owners, for you professionals. So the simple action plan for you to quickly calculate your real monthly expenses. That's your action plan now. Calculate your real monthly expenses. Create a simple allocation structure. Then open a tax reserve account. Review finances every Friday and stop emotional spending. So consistency beats intensity. Consistency beats intensity. You need to take note of this. So this is the action plan for you as we are rounding off this live streaming. If you want help creating a proper budgeting structure for your business, TOSJOHN Consulting can help you. We can help you to do this. Design a custom budget plan. We can help you to design a custom business budget. Then we can help you to set up a tax planning systems. We can help you to improve your cash flow. And we can help you to structure your financial reporting. So please send us a DM with the word budget, right? And we will take it from there. So let's turn your business into a financially disciplined profit machine. So revenue is vanity, as we all know, and we say on this streaming. Profit is sanity. Cash flow is reality. And budgeting is control. You must know that. So smart entrepreneurs don't just make money. They manage it strategically. You are not just making money, you manage it strategically to keep thriving your business. So please make sure you take note of all this strategy we are bringing to you. Make sure you put it into action plan, and please feel free to reach out to us to partner with you for growth. We are accredited CAC agents, we are accountants, we are auditor, we are tax consultants, we are strategic business growth support partner, and we are willing and ready to help your business to grow. So reach out to us and let's take your business to another level. So thank you for joining us on this live streaming session. See you in another live streaming. Thank you and bye for now. Bye.